So for our chemistry video, we decided to perform a double displacement reaction, which is when AB plus CD yields AD plus BC. For our two instruments, we're going to bring down two 50 milliliter beakers. We're going to put the first aqueous solution, sodium hydroxide, into one of the beakers. We are going to put 15 milliliters of the sodium hydroxide in the beaker. Then we are going to put nickel chloride, our other solution, into the other beaker, and we're going to put 6 milliliters of the nickel chloride in there. Now as we zoom in, we're going to observe the characteristics of both. They're both aqueous solutions. The nickel chloride, it has a greenish tint, which is a characteristic of nickel. We then are going to pour all the contents into one beaker in order to begin our reaction. And when we zoom in, we can see it is a mainly aqueous solution, but at the very bottom you can see there is a green solid, which would hint to us that it has nickel in it. When we go to our balanced chemical equation, we see that 2 moles of sodium hydroxide plus nickel chloride will yield 2 moles of sodium chloride plus 1 mole of nickel hydroxide, a solid. So when we look at our net ionic equation, the nickel plus the hydroxide is going to yield nickel hydroxide as a solid. So this is a precipitation reaction because from our solubility rules we know that nickel hydroxide does not dissolve. We then are going to recycle all of our materials, and that's how you perform a double displacement reaction.